Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever walked into a big store looking for one thing and had no idea where to find it? Today Hannah is looking for a book at Barnes& Noble, the big, warm bookstore famous for its towering wooden shelves, the bestsellers table right by the door, and a cozy cafe in the back. It's quiet, it smells like paper and coffee, and it's the perfect place to practice asking for help. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one friendly phrase to ask for anything she needs. Could you help me? You can use this exact phrase at Barnes & Noble, in any store, or really anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's go find a book with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Find a bestseller she's been wanting to read too. Ask for directions to another section. And stay calm when the staff talks a little too fast. 3. Check out, use her B&N membership, and order one more book that's out of stock when you're somewhere new. One soft, polite request can carry you through the whole visit without any stress. By the end of this video, you'll be able to politely ask for help, ask someone to slow down, ask if something is in stock, and use a store membership, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside Barnes & Noble. Here are today's 5 Barnes & Noble key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me find this book? Could you help me find this book? This is today's magic phrase. Could you help me? Is one of the friendliest, most natural ways to ask for help in English. It's polite, it's warm, and it works in any store. You can put almost any request after it. Could you help me find? Could you help me choose? Could you help me carry? Key phrase 2. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower? A kind, easy way to ask someone to repeat themselves when they talk too fast. Key phrase 3. Do you have this one in stock? Do you have this one in stock? A simple way to ask if a store has something available right now. Key phrase 4. Would it be possible to order it for me? Would it be possible to order it for me? A polite way to ask the staff to order something that isn't on the shelf. Key phrase 5. Is it okay if I use my B&N membership? Is it okay if I use my B&N membership? An easy, warm way to ask about using a store membership or discount. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at Barnes & Noble. Hannah walks into a bright Barnes & Noble, the bestsellers table stacked neatly by the door, tall wooden shelves stretching to the back. Standing near the table is Marcus. A quiet, careful bookseller in his 40s, a man of few words who knows every shelf by heart and lets his work speak for itself.
Hi. Could you help me find this book? I saw it on the bestsellers list.
Sure. Title?
It's a new mystery novel. Everyone's talking about it.
Bestsellers table. Right up front.
Oh, thank you. Is it the one by the window?
Center table. Blue cover.
Perfect. You really know where everything is.
12 years at Barnes & Noble. You learn the shelves.
12 years. Wow. Do you have a favorite section?
Fiction. Always fiction.
Me too. Found it. Blue cover, just like you said.
Good eye.
Thank you so much for your help.
The cafe's in the back, if you want to read a page first.
I might just do that. Thank you, Marcus.
Beautifully done, Hannah. She opened with our magic phrase, could you help me find this book? Friendly, warm, and clear. Could you help me? Is special because it's polite without being stiff. You can use it anywhere. Could you help me find? Could you help me choose? Could you help me carry this? Marcus was quiet. A man of few words. But Hannah didn't mind at all. She just stayed warm and friendly, and asked a little question about his favorite section. A short, kind chat can open up even the quietest helper. A polite request plus a warm smile equals a lovely, easy start. Book in hand, Hannah goes looking for the cookbook section. She finds Danny. A chatty, friendly bookseller in his 30s who loves to talk and knows a little about everything, and sometimes talks a little too fast.
Excuse me. Could you help me find the cookbook section?
Oh, cookbooks. Great choice. We just got a huge shipment, Italian, baking, everything. So you're gonna walk past the Barnes & Noble Cafe, take a left at the magazines, and it's aisle 14, back right corner, right next to the travel books.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower?
Oh, sorry. I always do that. Okay. Slowly. Walk past the cafe, take a left at the magazines, and it's aisle 14.
Aisle 14. Got it. Past the cafe, left at the magazines.
You got it. And hey. If you like baking, there's a gorgeous new one on the display. My wife bought it, and now our whole kitchen is covered in flour. Worth it, though.
That's a good sign. Thank you so much.
Anytime. Oh. And there's a Nook demo up front if you ever want the ebook version too. I read on my Nook on the train every morning.
Good to know. Aisle 14. I'm on my way. Thanks again, Danny.
Enjoy. And watch out for the flour.
Look how smoothly Hannah handled that. Danny was friendly, but he talked fast. A whole string of directions all at once. Instead of getting flustered, Hannah just smiled and said, "Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower?" This is so useful. When someone talks too quickly, you don't have to understand every word. Just ask them, kindly, to slow down. Native speakers do this all the time, and people are always happy to repeat themselves. Then Hannah repeated the directions back. Past the cafe, left at the magazines. To make sure she had it right. Didn't catch it? Plus a friendly a little slower? Equals no stress at all. With 2 books in her arms, Hannah heads to the register. Behind it is Frank. A warm, joke-loving Barnes and Noble veteran in his 50s who has rung up a million books and still finds a way to make everyone laugh.
Hi. I'd like to buy these too. And do you have this one in stock, too?
Ah, the special edition. Let me check. Looks like that one flew off the shelf faster than I do at closing time.
Oh no. Would it be possible to order it for me?
Absolutely. We'll ship it right to your door. About a week. Or, in book years, no time at all.
Perfect. And is it okay if I use my B&N membership?
Music to my ears. Your Barnes & Noble membership gets you 10% off, and free shipping on that order. There we go. You just saved enough for a coffee at the Barnes & Noble Cafe.
That's exactly where I'm headed next.
A woman with a plan. Okay. 2 books today, 1 on the way, and a very happy wallet.
Thank you so much. You made this easy.
That's the Barnes & Noble promise. Books, coffee, and terrible jokes at no extra charge.
Best deal all day. Thank you, Frank.
Wonderful. Hannah found her bestseller, got directions to the cookbook section, and checked out. All with calm, polite English. At the register she used, "Do you have this one in stock? Would it be possible to order it for me? And is it okay if I use my B&N membership?" 3 easy, natural phrases you can use in almost any store. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one: "Could you help me?" A friendly request plus a kind helper equals a smooth, happy visit, at Barnes & Noble or anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Imagine you can't find a book, and you want to ask a staff member for help. As politely as possible. Which one sounds the most polite and friendly? A. Where's this book? B. Could you help me find this book? C. Find this for me. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident asking for help anywhere in America. Could you help me find this book? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower? Do you have this one in stock? Would it be possible to order it for me? Is it okay if I use my B&N membership? With these 5 phrases, even a big, busy store starts to feel friendly and easy. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. And next time, join us at Five Guys, where Hannah orders a fresh, hot burger and fries, picks her toppings, and learns all the friendly English you need for a busy American burger place. See you next time. Bye-bye.